In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webflow as a freelancer. Whether you're just getting started or looking to fine-tune your skills, these tips will help you leverage Webflow to boost your freelancing career. Let's begin by discussing the importance of creating websites for various purposes. As a freelancer, showcasing your versatility is key. You can design websites for e-commerce platforms, blogs, or even personal portfolios. The idea here is to demonstrate your ability to cater to different needs and industries. One effective way to do this is by designing websites for hypothetical companies. This allows potential clients to see your creativity and technical skills, even if you haven't gathered real client work yet. Remember, your portfolio is more than just a collection of your designs. It is a testament to your potential as a web designer. Next, let's look into Webflow University. This is an excellent resource for understanding the various functionalities of Webflow. By taking advantage of the wide range of courses and tutorials, you can deepen your knowledge of those key features like the Content Management System, or CMS, as well as e-commerce and interactive elements. Even if you're familiar with web design, regularly refreshing your skills and learning about updates or new features will ensure you remain a competent and competitive freelancer. The more fluent you become with Webflow's tools, the more efficiently you can create stunning functional websites that meet client needs. Consider the opportunity to become a Webflow partner. As a certified partner, you gain visibility and access to a network of clients specifically looking for professionals with Webflow expertise. It's like a stamp of approval that signals your proficiency and trustworthiness to potential clients. This can be a crucial step in establishing your reputation and expanding your client base in the freelance market. Engaging with the Webflow community is another valuable strategy. This involves connecting with other designers and developers, sharing ideas, and learning from each other's experiences. By participating in forums, attending workshops, or joining webinars, you not only keep yourself updated with industry best practices, but also open doors to potential collaborations and new opportunities. Networking within this community can also lead to partnerships or referrals, further boosting your visibility and credibility as a freelancer. By following these steps, you can effectively position yourself as a versatile, knowledgeable, and connected Webflow freelancer, ready to take on diverse projects. With dedication and the right strategies, using Webflow can become a powerful asset in your freelancing toolkit, paving the way for growth and success in your career. Stay creative and continue to push the boundaries of what you can achieve with this platform.